Hello everyone and welcome to your next car on the walk around video for the 420D M Sport Coupe in Alpine White. So alongside that ever popular exterior colour, we've also added a full your next car and performance body styling kit, and included in that is a set of the 19-inch 763M style alloy wheels that are all brand new and come presented in the frozen grey. At the front of the car you'll see it's a 2017 17 plate. Also has, of course, a facelift, so we've got the facelift front lights, and I'll point out the rest of the facelift items as we go around. Down the side of the car you get gloss black air breathers from BMW. We've added satin side vinyls, YNC Mperformance decals alongside the gloss black M4 Aero mirror caps. The interior for the 4 Series we have here for you has got the black Dakota leather. Also comes with electric lumbar and heated seat options for both drivers and passengers. 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, and we'll of course show you more of the interior details shortly. Isofix 2x2 seat arrangement, central folding armrest, and of course that darkened M Sport headlining working really nicely as a contrast to the lighter exterior colour. Again, showing you off those fantastic alloys that look really great in that frozen grey and are definitely one of the nicer fitting alloys for the 4 Series in my opinion. Moving round to the back of the car, we've got the high gloss rear boot spoiler and satin rear diffuser, and of course facelift rear lights. Big boot area on the 4 Series Coupe, and that can be made larger because you do get split folding seats. Round at the driver's side you can see again that the Alpine White from BMW works really nicely with all of the additions we make, alongside being again a really clean and tidy example. Heading on into the inside of the vehicle, we'll run you through a couple of the features once more. Starting the vehicle up, you can see there we've got the lovely facelift professional wide navigation and media screen. Starting on sat nav, it's got real-time traffic updates to keep you on that fastest route possible. This particular 420D's covered just over 73,000 miles. Hopefully, however, throughout this video you've been able to see that it is in superb condition throughout. I did mention, of course, that 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. It does also have cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume controls. In terms of your connectivity, you've got connectivity for both Bluetooth telephone and audio, DAB, music collection, AUX and USB inputs. If we go across into my vehicle and vehicle status, you can see there that everything is highlighted in green. The next service is due in 4,400 miles. Service history wise, it's got full comprehensive BMW service history all the way up to the most recent, which is at 58511, and that was for an engine oil and microfilter change. So there is a walk around video for yet again another stunning 4 Series. This one obviously is the 420D M Sport Coupe as a reminder. Hopefully you've enjoyed it and been able to find it useful, and of course if you do want to get in touch with us, we'll happily answer any questions we're able to. The contact information is always down below in the description, along with a link to our website. Once again, thank you very much. Do of course take care, and we'll hopefully see yourselves very soon. Thank you, bye bye.